Yeah, that's the handle so before he just went by. It looked like he checked it twice. Hey,
Lieutenant Hudson, you monitoring this area?
here it comes up.
Obviously,
Go for us.
shall I post it as soon as he passed down Max?
18, go for
This would be the most inappropriate speech I said.
Silver foil.
I have to say,
Floor.
I don't
Got
know
it.
if it ever is.
Scooch over, slightly right, silver foil, top of the stairs.
Something very boring in the minutes there.
Got it.
Have a great event.
Thank you, President Trump. There's a report in the New York Post that this assailant assembled a weapon somewhere on scene. What do you think about that?